Happy Monday! Monday na ulit. Ang bilis ng araw, guys. Ilang buwan na lang uwi kami Pilipinas. Pero, syempre, before that, punta muna kami ng San Francisco. Ng California, actually. Nasa northern part ng California yung sister ni Jeff. So, next month, nandun kami. Ayun. So, wala namang bago. Actually, Jewish holiday ngayon. So, I'm expecting the office to be really, really quiet. Because most of my clients are Jewish. So, trabaho muna tayo, guys. Ayan. Bahay na ako, guys. Grabe, ang ganda ng weather sa labas. Hindi nga ako nakalabas kanina sa trabaho ko. Sobrang busy. Meron kasing client na moving in sa office. Kaya rin, buksan ko nga lahat ng bintana. Diyos ko yung buhok ko. Saan? Sanay lang, guys. Ayan. Nagpalit ako ng damit kasi yung puti nadudumi yan eh. Alam nyo ba, guys, favorite ko yun eh, magsuot ng puting damit dati. Ngayon, hindi. Nung buhay pa si mama ko, kasi siya naglalaba. Pag ikaw pala yung naglalaba, ayaw mo nang gumamit ng puti. Kasi nga, di ba, ang hirap talaga niyang i-maintain. Although, at saka dito kasi, guys, talagang isang loading na, kasi di ba mas maganda kapag ihiwalay mo lang talaga siya, kaya i-hand wash mo. Naku, dito wala na akong panahon ng gano'n. Siyempre, hinihiwalay ko yung mga decolor at saka yung mga puti. Pero, iba pa rin talaga yung laba dyan sa Pilipinas. Kaya, as much as possible, wala talaga akong white na damit. Napaka-rare ng magkaroon ako ng white shirt. Si Jeff, meron kasi yung undershirt. Pero undershirt lang, hindi talaga, pang-alis yun nga kasi bilis lumuma.
Get my oil change today. I think I'll probably just wait till Friday.
Okay. Mag-grocery kami, guys. Monday ngayon. Hindi kami napag-grocery kahapon kasi we decided just to relax. Hi, baby.
Relax. I changed the kitchen faucet.
Oh, that's true. Oh, it's about time, though. Ang cute, to, ng kadate ko. Ang hot. Kilig. Grocery muna kami, guys. Malapit na kami. Good morning! Happy Tuesday! Grabe, guys, ang ganda ng weather. Actually, ang warm ngayon. It's gonna be almost 80 degrees. Kaya yan, spring na. Tingnan nyo, nakaskirt ako. Kasi nga sobrang warm ng weather today. So, ayun. Pasok muna ako. Dito na ako sa train station. Nakakita ako na nagtitinda ng green juice. Yung food cart lang. So, ito $5. Compared dun sa binibili ko. Yung sa binibili ko, $11. Diba? Grabe ang mahal. Kasi may pwesto. Tsaka may pangalan. Ito parang food cart lang siya. So, ayan. Work muna tayo, guys. Bigyan ko kayo ng isa pang tour dito sa view sa office. Ang ganda, diba, guys? Oh. Grabe, no? Tignan nyo, yung mga may patio silang ganon. So, ang ganda. Ang gaganda ng dito, architectural ng skyline kasi yung mga architectural structure ng New York City. Kasi nga, di ba, mga lumang, yung katulad niyan, lumang building yan. Mga ganon. So, meron siyang it looks classic. Pasensya na kayo, hindi pa ako nagko-coffee. Ayan. Good morning. Ayan, happy Wednesday. Bilis ng araw na guys. I'm just here. Magsiset up lang ako. Set up muna tayo, guys, ha? Wait lang. Maya na lang ulit. Ayan. Good morning ulit. Wednesday ngayon. So, grabe. Ang ganda na ng weather, guys. As in, spring na siya talaga. Pero, kahapon sobrang init na, I think umabot kami mga 80 degrees. Kaya yan. Ala, iba yung kulay sa camera. Ang kulit. To, parang green siya. Pero I don't know. Lumalabas siya na parang may pagka-blue sa camera. But anyway. Luma na to. To eh. Not sure kung Zara siya or Mango. Either or. Mga ganun. Kasi matagal na to, guys. Tapos to, itong pants na to, H&M, binili ko kahapon. Nakasale siya kasi $10. Diba? Pwede na. Tapos naka-pumps lang ako. Ayan. Maliit lang to. Yung heels ko pag nasa office. Ganyan lang. Hindi siya masyadong kataasan. Kasi nga, di mo matangkad na ako. Nasa ano ko 5'7". 5'7", 5'6 and a half. Yan. Sige. Trabaho muna tayo, guys, ha? This company contacted me and they want me to, I don't know, like do a review for they have 2 products. I'm gonna insert the picture of their email. It's this one, it's called Flat Tummy Tea, which is, by the way, what can you say about the name?
Misleading?
Misleading. Because you cannot lose your belly fat just by drinking tea. So, I don't know how this company will gonna react on this video, but I'm just, you know, every one of you knows that we work out and really try our best to be in shape, and we're not relying on any shortcut, because it's not a shortcut.
It doesn't actually work.
Huh?
It's never gonna work.
Yeah. What, baby? It's never. He doesn't want to be filmed. But anyways, this company sent me. There are 2 companies actually. One for tea, weight loss tea, and then the other one for flat boobs. So.
That's nice. You're fat and you have small tits.
So they said that the bra, the magic bra, is on its way. So I'll probably get it tomorrow. But let's open this one. Guys, sumisikat na tayo. I'm getting popular.
What is that?
It's a weight loss tea. Buksan mo nga, IJ. Ayan, si IJ na nag-unbox.
Oh my god. What is this?
Okay na. Alright. So it comes in a really nice pouch actually. And it has...
Flat tummy tea. You already have a flat tummy.
No, I don't. Buksan mo nga, anak, yung zipper. Ayan. What does it...
There is
I'll drink the tea.
this one.
Activate. To kickstart.
Cleanse.
Cleanse and...
This. The picture. And then
So... I'll try it. Who knows? Happy Thursday! Yan. Green juice. Papasok na ako, guys. Nasa city na ako. Kanina pa ako nakatayo. Hindi maandar yung elevator. Hindi ko pala napindot. Ayun. Office na ako. Sarap nito, guys. Talagang sobrang happy ako. Natagpuan ko yun. Food truck lang yun eh. Mas mura. Kaysa dun sa Juice Generation. Juice Generation, dun bumibili si Casey Neistat. Ang mahal, guys. Mga $11-12. Kaya yun. Hindi talaga. Ikaw, wag na lang. Sobrang mahal kasi. Ayan, office na. Oh, mamaya na lang ulit. My client gave this to me. Nasa bahay na kami, guys.
how do you take
Mag-wash ka muna ng hands. Tapos gupitan mo yung kuko mo, IJ.
before I eat it?
Tingnan nyo. Ang cute, no? Dati meron din kaming ganito eh. Sa ano. Pinapadala ng tita ko. Sa Balikbayan box. So, nasa Pilipinas pa ako. Hi, folks! Say hi. Hello pa! Hello pa! May nagpapa-shoutout pala. Sandali lang. Friday na. Ayun, papasok na ako. Si Jeff walang pasok ngayon. Suot ko na naman to kasi natutulog pa si Jeff. So, nilabas ko na kasi lahat yung mga gamit ko para hindi siya maistorbo habang nagme-makeup ako. Tapos, kasi pag nagme-makeup ako, diba, bubuksan ko yung, yung ilaw. So, ayun, wala ako na ilabas na top. Ito lang yung nasa labas. Kaya, ulit na lang. Nung ano ko lang naman to sinuot. 2 weeks ago sa work, pero nung last Friday sinuot ko rin to nung birthday ni Mike. Pero ayan, malapit ako sa train, mamaya na lang ulit, ha. Sige. Maaga kaming pinauwi ngayon. Kasi Good Friday, so it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, uwi na kami. Uwi na ako. Sige guys, mamaya ulit. We're off to Brooklyn. Hi, Ben. Ayan, may bibilin lang kami sa Brooklyn. Kababalik kami dun sa sandwich place. It's so sunny. You can't even see you. Ayan, pinalabas kami ng maaga, 4 o'clock. So, yung amo ko, he sent us an email around 3:30 or 3 o'clock. Sabi, if you guys are not busy, if your floor is not busy, you can proceed, and you know, just make sure that everything is said and all the clients know that you guys are leaving. But I really didn't have any clients today, but those people who's moving in, so an hour free is good.
Definitely.
Jeff didn't have work today, so he was able to work out already. Jeff and IJ was supposed to have like a crepe date, like father and son crepe date, but their IJ's favorite crepe store or restaurant closed. It closed last month, right?
Yeah.
He was emailing me. He's like, "Mommy, I don't have a crepe restaurant anymore." I told him that there's one in Jackson Heights. So yeah, ayun, naiwan siya doon. Kalaro niya yung mga kaibigan. We're back in this sandwich store. Sarap, tsaka coffee. Ito yung place, guys. Hi, babe.
Hi.
You guys, that's Brooklyn Brewery. Look at this, because the weather is like really nice already. So that's where they make the beer, and they even have barbecue. It's pretty cool. So this place or this neighborhood changed so much. Jeff used to live here. Nagpa-deliver kami, guys. Ayun, sa Jackson Diner. Kasi may nakuha akong $10 coupon sa Seamless. So, lahat to kasama na yung tip. $25 lang binayaran ko. Kain, guys. So, it's Indian food and Puka Street. Sarap no, IJ? So, lang yan. Lahat, vegetarian lahat yan. Hi, Pooks. What do you want? Actually, I was just gonna end the vlog. Kakatapos lang namin... What, Pooks? Kakatapos lang namin, What? Ayan na naman siya. Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Ayun. Pero bago ko end yung vlog pala, may shoutout ako kay Sister Sam de sa Lisa de los Reyes. Hello, sis. Sabi niya daw sila. Sabi niya ito, hello, kamusta po? Pa-shoutout naman po sa aking mga friends dito sa Doha, Qatar. Ayan, taga Doha sila. Hello, sis. Hello sa inyong lahat. So, yung mga friends niya daw ay si Ate Mirna. Hello, Ate Mirna. Hello, Ruby, Mean, Tonet, Kathy, Irene, at saka pabati daw ng happy birthday sa sister niyang si Arnie. Happy birthday, Arnie! Birthday niya, April 16. Sabi niya, lagi niya daw kami pinapanood. Maraming salamat, ha. Talagang nakaka-touch lahat kayo. Thank you again sa panonood nyo. End ko na yung vlog, guys, kasi wala naman nang ganap. Si IJ nasa kwarto na, si Jeff nagtutoothbrush. Tapos ako maliligo na lang. Tapos yun. Si Puka, nandyan siya ngayon. Puka, hey, you wanna say... What? Ayaw niya daw. Ayaw niya daw magpa-shoutout. So, ayun. Jeff is trying to avoid me. I'll go here. I'll go here! He's like a snob right now.
It's so weird, thank you.
So, ayun. Maraming salamat, guys, sa panonood nyo. Until next vlog. Bye, guys! Good night!